Alright, I want to point this out before we get into the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, so the bottom frame is metal. And it is painted. We'll leave that guy alone. Oh, crap. No, he don't need to go in there. He's painted, so we don't need to. So is this guy. He's also painted. But he's got grease all over him. He's going to have to get cleaned and repainted. And this guy we can keep. We'll just clean him by hand. Alright, now, take a look at the gear arrangement. You really can't mess that up. But look at all that Teflon in there. That is... Okay, that's too much. That's just not... We don't want that. And look at the trucks. Or the wheel sets. See how the gear's offset? Interesting. Oh, the ends of the wheels are painted too. Very interesting. But they still got to get cleaned. That's that Teflon, you can't usually totally rely on it being clean no matter what you do, because it's too persistent. Oh man, is that a lot of grease. That is not okay. That's not a washer right there. That is just straight up grease. That's Teflon. We don't want that. So this guy, even though he's painted, he's going in. He's going in, he's going in. They're all going in. I kind of wish I could save this sticker, but I'm afraid we're going to have to say no. There's just two... Wait, no. No, never mind. We'll try to save it. Alright. Now, these guys, as long as there's no grease in there, there's a little bit here and here, and this guy's not going in the cleaner. He's not, as far as I can tell, he's not painted at all. He's just, that's the color plastic it is. This guy we're going to clean by hand. Okay, so let me show you now how you do these. And, oh yeah, he's got his wires on. All right, now, so we take our Phillips. There are two screws, and it shows you right here how to do this in the instructions. I got to give it to ROCO. They provide you with maintenance instructions. Oh, and you know, and I got to show you why they do that. There's a reason why they provide you. And let's take a look in here. These guys, they look all good. But on this front truck, see what we got here? We got two axles that got traction tires. This guy's got to get cleaned separate. He can't be going into the ultrasonic. That guy can. That guy can. They can't go in there. Okay, now here's the thing. The side frames, you just carefully, not even with any force, they come off, and then they are the wires. The wires got these little holes on them, which is kind of good. I mean, they're thinner wires than I would normally use, but hey, they're good, and that guy's good. And let's mark that guy as front. Mark him as front. Okay, we'll just mark some front marks. We're gonna have to clean him with some red marks here and there and everywhere. So, and somewhere we won't get cleaned. So we remember that he's the front guy. Okay, then grease and grease. I'm going to save these screws in a separate pile over there. Cleaner. Not cleaner. Take off. These guys are metal. Okay, these are not plastic. They are metal. Pretty cool. Okay, gears. Oh, this thing is so greasy. I don't even want to get it on my fingers. It is so full of Teflon. You know what's going to happen? I'm about to wipe this on my pants, and then that's going to be on my pants, and it's going to spread everywhere. And that's just where it's going to be. All right. Okay. Truck's ready to go into the cleaner. Let's get that Teflon out of there and do it the right way.